guys, we're heading out. Another ride. We're going on chicken corners today out over Hoorah Pass down in Moab. We might do the Jackson Hole loop if we have time. Hopefully we'll get some good footage, some good riding going. Made it to the top of Hoorah Pass. Take a little break. There's a bunch of cars, jeeps and stuff in front of us. Letting them get ahead so we don't catch them too fast. But it's getting still a little chilly, a little breeze, but it is getting warmer. I don't know if you can see the potash ponds out in the distance. We should end up about straight across from Dead Horse Point. So that's where we're at so far. Well, we made it to the Chicken Corners Lockhart Basin intersection, and then I had a weird vibration we were getting, so we stopped to check it out, and apparently I lost one stud and my lug nuts were loose, so I've got one ruined tire and all my studs are ruined, so I have a ruined hub. So we're going to limp home and hope we get back to town.
Where's the dirt bike?
Okay guys, made it back. We've got my truck and trailer. We're loaded up. Had to hitch a ride from somebody. We made about 12 of the 18 miles back to civilization. Got the parts ordered. They should be here hopefully in a few days. But we survived. Hopefully we can get her fixed and get out next weekend. Sorry I couldn't bring you more content. The little breakdowns are making it a little worse. But thanks for watching.